Hi everyone, today we're excited to introduce the XSWPL Reborn Baby Doll, an 18-inch lifelike doll with a soft cloth body and realistic vinyl limbs. This adorable baby doll features a heartwarming smile and comes dressed in a stylish purple outfit with a delicate floral hairband. Weighing about 2.2 pounds, it feels as soft and cuddly as a real baby, perfect for children ages 3 and up. The doll includes charming accessories like a bottle, magnetic pacifier, and a birth certificate card, all packaged in a beautiful gift box. You can change her clothes and headbands to create new looks, adding more fun to playtime. This doll is ideal for birthday gifts, Christmas surprises, or imaginative role-playing with your little ones. Experience the joy and warmth this realistic reborn baby doll brings to your family today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.